trying to fix your UI home is not responding problem, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your settings. At the section, scroll all the way below and tap on Apps. Here you have to search for One UI. Then you'll see One UI Home. So tap it. And here tap on Storage. Clear the cache and then clear the data. Also be noted, all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. If you would like to do so, you may go ahead and tap on Delete. Once done, come back to this page again, tap on Force Stop and then OK. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then make sure that your software is also updated. For that, come the home page of the settings, scroll all the way below and then tap on Software Update. If you see any updates that are available, tap onto it and then update your software as well. Now lastly, you have to restart your device. And once it is so, this shall fix the problem.